Hello guys, Outing Productions here, and today I have a package of something that I got off eBay, so let me just get it open. Yep. Open it. Here's a little card from the person I got it from. In case you're wondering what the item is, no, let me just get it out of the box. Well, not box, bubble wrap. Now my question is this caboose, which you might be wondering, why did I get this? Well, around last week, we lost someone in the fandom named Crazy Caboose Creations. Yeah, so I got this to make a little memorial on my HOA. Well, all I was going to do was paint it in an undercoat of red. Well, not red, in a gray. Then I was going to paint it red and add his channel's initial on the side. And just have it on the layout as a memorial. Yeah, also around the same month, we lost Prince Philip, which is quite shocking. But then again, he was 99. And I mean, Crazy Caboose Creations, I mean, he was younger than I was. He was like 15 when he died. And yeah, I saw some people, like, after he died, like, just saying horrific things, like, see you in, well, the bad place. And I don't know, horrible thing. And I've actually counted, see how many, I think I've seen like 4 people say horrible things. Maybe 5. Not too sure of how many I saw, which hopefully he possesses them. Hopefully Crazy Caboose Creations possesses them and ends up doing something horrible with them. Like ruining their life. But that's just me. But yeah, so the memorial on my layout will be coming soon, so yeah, so this is Outing Productions signing off.